this topic we are going to define what is primal and what is dual. If some student has a doubt, so what is this primal and what is the dual, so those doubts are clear here in this topic. Fine. So definition of primal. Fine. So let the primal problem can be, let the primal problem be like this. That is, max z is equal to, this is c1 x1, that is objective function, c2 x2 plus c3 x3 plus and so on, plus, let me continue, plus cn xn. Fine. This is what the objective function. Then it is subjected to constraints. Constraints a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 and so on. So a1n x n less than or equal to b1. These are all basic variables. So the next one is a21 x1 plus a22 x2, whereas it is a23 x3 up to a2n xn less than or equal to b2. In the same way, one second I will write a31 x1, a32 x2, a33 x3 plus a3n xn less than or equal to b2. So I think you remember these types of equations which you have studied in second semester numerical and statistical method subject in chapter number 2, solution of system of linear equations, where we have solved these type of equations using Gauss elimination, using Gauss Seidel and using Gauss Jordan. So we have solved the system of solution of linear equations by those three methods. The same equations are appearing here. So I think you are not going to get confused here. Fine. So and so on. If I say a m1 x1 plus a m2 x2 plus a m3 x3 plus a mn xn greater than or equal to bn, or sorry, not bn, it is bm. So this is what, where x1 comma x2 comma x3 comma, that is x n less than or equal to. This is what the primal. Then how about dual? So The dual problem is defined as the dual problem is defined as mean Z. I will write 1 here because we have studied as then those 6 rules is that if primary is to be maximized, dual has to be minimized and vice versa. Now presently this problem is maximization, that's why we are writing minimization here. Fine. So minimized 1 is equal to this symbol 1 refers to it is dual. Fine. B1 W1 plus B2 W2 plus B3 W3 plus and so on Bm Wm. Fine. So why we are writing like this? So in the rules also, one of those 6 rules also, the basic variables will act like a variables in the objective function of the dual problem. Objective function of the dual problem. So go through those 6 rules. In one of those 6 rules, what I have written? These values B1, B2, B3, Bm will act like a what? Variables in the objective function of the dual problem. Fine. So subjected to the constraints what is A11 W1 plus A12 W2 plus A13 W3 up to what it is AM1 WM. Fine. Whereas subjected to C1. So remember this. Here A11 will remain same. A12, A11, A12, A13, they will remain same. What happens here? W1, W2, W3 are the new things. And AM1 into WM greater than or equal to C1. Here it is less than, now it becomes greater than. What is C1? C1 is nothing but this. So what happens here? These B1, B2, B3 will act like will come into the objective function, whereas the variables which are there in the objective function of the primer will act like a C1, C2, C3 in the right hand side of the constraints. Fine. So let me continue this one. A21 W1, A22 W2, A23 W3 plus and so on AM2 WM greater equal to C2. Again I am going to continue. It is A31 W1, A32 W2, A33 W3 followed by AM3 WM is C3. And continuing like this, it becomes what? A1N W1, A2N W2, A3M W3 and so on, plus A Mn Wm greater than or equal to what it is Cn. Fine. Where and W1, W2, W3 up to Wm are greater than or equal to 0. Fine. So what happens here? The definitions of primal and dual, it is in front of you. Let me draw the line here. So looking into those 6 rules, I will say those are the 6 rules. By looking into those 6 rules, we can understand what are those 6 rules are telling in the previous class. What happens? The variables in the objective function will be in the right hand side of the constraints in the dual. Fine. The b1, b2, b3 up to bm, the right hand side constraints of the primal problem will become a variables in the objective function of the dual problems. Fine. And the cost matrix, the cost of the body matrix of the primal. So it is a what? Primal will get a transposed in the dual. So these are the rules, and the constraints in the primal and the constraints in the dual are non-negative. Fine. So these are the rules, those 6 rules. They implemented it and written it, and this is what the definition of primal and dual. Fine. Thank you.